Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel InfoRosan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the free courses provided by the AWS and friend, this is the very good opportunity for the candidates who want to make their career in the IT fields and all the courses provided by the AWS are absolutely free. So we are going to check the all the details how you need to apply and what is the registration process. So please watch the video complete. So friend, you can see here, you will also get this type of sample certificate and Amazon is providing these courses through AWS Restart program. So we are going to check about the AWS Restart program. So you can see here, this program helps preparing individuals for cloud career with free to the learner cohort based training and this is absolutely free. And you can also friend, you can see here AWS Restart is a code-based workforce development training program that prepares individuals for the careers in the cloud and to connect them to potential employers. And friend, you will learn the various types of things here also. And you can see AWS Restart collaborating organization supports and underrepresented groups, minorities, displaced individuals, and young pop people, and many more. So they are helping the people free of cost. And you can see here about the curriculum is also they have given. And before that, friend, you can see here AWS Restart also provides learners with professional skills training like resume, interview coaching to prepare them for employer meeting and job interviews. So you will get the all the information right start from the courses, then how you will prepare for the interview, how you have to make the resume, and all these things you will get absolutely free. So you can see here. In this curriculum, you can see through scenario-based exercise, instructor-led sessions, learner build Linux, Python, networking, security, database, and automation, and core AWS cloud skills. You will be learn here, and you can see learners receive job-specific training for roles such as a technical support specialist, system administrator, cloud automation lead, up to infrastructure engineer, and more. And you can see AWS Restart also provides learner with professional skills, including effective communication, collaboration, resume writing, interview coaching. So all this you will learn here. And you can see the some more things here you given. There is a you should available for to attend a training session as defined by the collaborating organizations, ability to apply for and pursue a need of after course completion. You have the high school diploma or for jury equivalent and excitement to launch a career in cloud computing. So how you will apply, we will discuss later. Let's discuss about the program benefits. So you can see you will get the access free AWS cloud skills training and build skills which are aligned to AWS certification and you can connect with the employer and launch your career. So friend, you can apply in this program from means you are working or not working or you are in any other field but want to start your career in the IT field, then you can definitely apply, use this course. So you can see here they have given here process and you can see are you experienced unemployment or underemployment and want to learn more about AWS Restart. So you can see here you will learn to apply using the country given here. So you can see the region is divided into Asia Pacific, then Europe, Latin America, Middle East and Africa and North America. So you can see. So you have to find out in which region your country is. So like we are going to check through Asia Pacific. So you can see here the country given like Australia, India. So currently we are going to check for the India means how we can register. So friend, before going to check it, if you are not subscribed our channel InfoRosan yet, please subscribe. We are making the pre-certification courses, jobs and internship opportunities and technology related videos. So please subscribe InfoRosan. It will help us to create a more and more content for you. So friend, let's check it. So for the registration, you have to come to this page. And friend, I have given the link in the video description box. So once you click on that, you will come to this page. So you can see we are going for the checking India country. So we do simply click on that. So you can see here the various types of organization who are coordinating with the AWS are given here. So you can register with either with any of one. So you can see, for example, here they have given a Tata Community Initiatives, Tech Mahindra Foundation, So you can register any through any one of organization here. So now we are going to check through the Tech Mahindra Foundation. So you have to simply click on that friend, and once you click, then you will come to this page. So on the left hand side, you can see the logo of the Tech Mahindra is given. On the right hand side, AWS is given. So you can see here the on the also top they have given that is Amazon Web Services Restart Program on Cloud Computing. So how you will register? Let's check it. So, friend, if you want to contact with the counselor for just help to understand, it means you are working in different field and you are going to check for the this AWS program, you can also contact the counselor. Here you can see you to fill the details and accordingly you will get the information. So, friend, we have already discussed that why you need to join. Like anyone can apply free training, you will get the certification, training and placement assistance, online and offline classes. All these things you will get here. So you can see the Amazon Web Services Restart program details. We have already discussed about the what types of things we will learn, and you can see the after completing this 12-week program. So total 12-week program means 12 weeks required for the completion of this course, and you can apply for the roles like IT support, AWS Cloud, IT Cloud Practitioner, then Junior Network Administrator, AWS Cloud Administrator, Cloud DNS Specialist, Cloud Security Specialist. So you can see the Tech Mahindra have you can see here form is given. So eligibility you can see the graduation and minimum age requirement is 21 years, and you can see duration of the course is a 12 week and mode of course given full time and online classroom based training. So you will be available for the full time. So location you can see the available for Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune, and you can see Visakhapatnam. So once you click on this apply now, friend, you will come to here this page. You can see here, and here you have to fill your first name, last name, email, phone number, then your educational details like you are graduate, postgraduate, or others. Then percentage in 12, and you have to select the preferred location. Means, friend, please select the location in which you are living, so that it will be easy for you. Then you have to click on this request call back. So once you register, then you will get the call back, and accordingly you have to coordinate with the customer person, and you have to register for this program. And friend, if you found any difficulties or if you have any query regarding this program, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and help you. And please subscribe in Inforosan.